Taking ownership. Mastering possessive adjectives. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fundamental topic in English grammar: possessive adjectives. These adjectives are vital in our everyday communication, as they help us express ownership or a sense of belonging. So, buckle up and let's conquer possessive adjectives together. Possessive adjectives, also known as possessive determiners, are words we use to indicate ownership or possession. They are used to describe a relationship between the possessor and the thing possessed. In English, the possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Here's an example to illustrate their use. My cat is sleeping. Your book is on the table. His name is John. Now, let's understand when and how we use these adjectives in our sentences. Possessive adjectives are typically used before a noun, and they do not change according to the gender or number of the noun. This means that whether the noun is singular or plural, masculine or feminine, the form of the possessive adjective stays the same. Here are some examples. Her apples are red. His dog is friendly. Their house is big. To make this concept more clear, let's look at more examples. Remember, the possessive adjective needs to agree with the possessor, not with the thing that is possessed. Its color is green, referring to a singular noun. Our parents are visiting, referring to a plural noun. Also, you can use possessive adjectives with gerunds, which are verbs that function as nouns, usually by adding ing to the end of the verb. I don't like your singing. Here, your modifies singing, which is a gerund form of the verb to sing. And there we have it. We've explored the fascinating world of possessive adjectives in English. I hope this video has made the concept of possessive adjectives easier to understand and apply. Remember, like any other grammar rule, practice is key. So make sure to use these adjectives in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining us, and keep up with your English learning journey.